Government of Karnataka, Department of Sericulture presents Bivoltine Seed Organization in Karnataka. In Karnataka, 95% of the silk produced is by multivoltine bivoltine hybrid, commonly known as crossbreed or CB, and the remaining 5% is produced by bivoltine hybrids. At present, about 10 crores, that is 100 million CB DFLS, the disease-free layings, are required per annum. To prepare this quantity of DFLS, it requires 40 crores of pure Mysore seed cocoons and about 20 crores of bivoltine seed cocoons. To maintain quality and to meet the demands of neighboring states and keeping in view of the vagaries of environmental conditions, annually about 70 crores of pure Mysore seed cocoons are being produced. About half of this quantity, that is, about 35 crores of bivoltine seed cocoons, have also to be produced to prepare CB. In addition, to produce 60 lakhs of commercial bivoltine hybrids, about 6 crores of bivoltine seed cocoons are required. In total, annually, about 41 crores of bivoltine seed cocoons are to be produced continuously throughout 365 days of the year. Production of this huge quantity of seed cocoons requires meticulous planning and chain of well-organized activities. This is called seed organization. Kolar Gold is the CB combination of females of pure Mysore with males of CSR2. At present, bivoltine hybrid combinations in vogue are CSR2 into CSR4 and double hybrid like FC1 into FC2. Including these hybrids, 54 hybrid combinations are authorized in India by the Union Government. To maintain purity, vigor and disease-freeness in the parental seed cocoons, multiplication is done scientifically. For this purpose, the state government has established seed organizations and regulated through Act and rules.
The most important part of Bivoltine Seed Organization is that we have a one-way system of multiplication. That is, it always starts from P4 to P1 in one direction and never in the reverse direction. Each stage has its own unique scientific requirements and also research requirements, and they all have been strictly monitored and stage-wise multiplication is done. The most important is whether we have a selection. Only when we have a selection, then the best quality silk and best quality seed can be produced, and hence this selection is always done. And the fourth one is disease-freeness. Disease is one thing which is really removed the whole of silk from the European countries, which was febrile. So to see that this kind of infection or disease doesn't occur in our seed production, extreme care is taken and good quality and the best quality seed is produced. And this is the major function of this seed organization, which is unique in the country.
On 18th of April 1960, a separate Mysore seed area was established to produce and distribute pure Mysore seed cocoons. On 9th October 1978, government notified Anekal bivoltine seed area on the same lines. At present, the area comprising of Anekal Taluk of Bangalore Urban District, KRpet Taluk of Mandya District, Uttara Kannada and Kodagu districts, all taluks of Hassan District except Arakalagud Taluk, Belgaum, Bailahongala, Hukkeri, Khanapura and Saundatti taluks of Belgaum District, Turuvekere, Tiptur and Chikkanayakanahalli taluks of Tumkur district are identified as bivoltine seed area. Suitability of soil and climatic conditions and acceptability of the farmers to adopt new technologies are the main criteria for selection of seed area. Farmers with basic facilities like irrigation, mulberry garden with new variety, separate disinfectable rearing house, willingness to rear bivoltine crops, inclination to adopt new technologies are selected as adopted seed rearers. Action plan to produce pure Mysore and bivoltine seed. Bivoltine seed multiplication program is in synchronization with pure Mysore seed multiplication program. Based on the annual requirement, 70 crores of PM seed cocoons are produced by rearing 3,840 P3 DFLS, 2.9 lakh P2 DFLS and 23.35 lakh P1 DFLS. It is planned in such a way that every day P1 DFLS are brushed in order to produce PM seed cocoons throughout the 365 days of a year. To produce crossbreeds, bivoltine seed cocoons are also required as male parent. Accordingly, about 41 crores of bivoltine seed cocoons are produced by rearing 1,300 P3 DFLS, 90,000 P2 DFLS and 13.7 lakh P1 DFLS annually. A definite action plan is drawn indicating annual, monthly, weekly and daily brushing program. During 1970s, indigenous bivoltine races such as NB4D2, KA, NB18 and NB7 were developed. The crossbreed of pure Mysore into NB4D2 became popular and was the ruling race for about 35 years in Karnataka. Now, Kolar Gold, a cross between pure Mysore into CSR2, which has more productivity than pure Mysore into NB4D2, has replaced it. Quality, quantity and timely production. Bivoltine seed production program is directly complementary to the pure Mysore seed cocoon production program. In order to produce disease-free, quality seed cocoons in definite quantity throughout the year, meticulous planning is required. The multiplication of seed cocoons is done in 4 levels. P4 level is maintained by the respective breeding stations where the races are developed, such as Central Sericultural Research and Training Institute, Mysore, or the Karnataka State Sericulture Research and Development Institute, Talaghattapura, Bangalore. They produce and supply P3 layings to P3 stations. P3 DFLS are reared in 4 P3 silk farms, namely Kumbarahalli, Huchgondanahalli, Kaggundi and Kudige. They produce P3 seed cocoons. P3 seed cocoons are processed in P2 grainages at Hassan, Kudige and Chandapura to produce P2 layings. P2 DFLS are reared in 15 P2 silk farms and with selected seed farmers. They produce P2 seed cocoons. P2 seed cocoons are processed in P1 grainages to produce P1 layings. P1 DFLS are reared with selected P1 rearers to produce P1 seed cocoons. P1 cocoons are supplied to F1 grainages through seed markets for the preparation of crossbreed layings. In this scientific one-way system of seed multiplication, 41 crores of bivoltine P1 seed cocoons are produced continuously throughout the year. P3 and P2 level seed multiplication is done during favorable period from August to February of the year. P1 layings produced are preserved in cold storages in order to utilize them throughout the year in all the 12 months. Bivoltine seed cocoon markets. Government has established seed cocoon markets at Bangalore, Attibele, Sarjapura, Hassan, Tumkur, KR-Pet, Sirsi, Belagaum and Kushalnagar. Surplus seed cocoons are marketed for reeling purpose. If the cocoons are fit for seed and sold for reeling for the want of demand, an incentive of rupees 100 per kg is given by the government to motivate the seed farmers to produce seed cocoons. Disease control. Pebrine is a deadly contagious disease of silkworms. Silkworm eggs, larvae, pupae and moths. At every stage, microscopic examination is conducted to rule out pebrine. Officers and staff of the department inspect every seed crop and conduct microscopic examination. In addition, a disease monitoring team conducts survey once in every 3 months. In case pebrine is noticed in moth stage, eggs are burnt, and in pupae, the cocoons are sent for reeling to prevent spread of this contaminative disease. Seed organization thus plays a very important and pivotal role in the stability and sustainability of sericulture industry of India in general and Karnataka in particular.